Hey guys, good morning. This is Mel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I upload tutorial videos, so if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload tutorial videos such as this. So today I will share with you a guide on where you can get a discounted ride all you can voucher for Skyranch Tagaytay and what rides are included. I will also share what other expenses we had while we were there. So last week, we went to Skyranch Tagaytay to celebrate my birthday. It is our first time going, so nag-research talaga ako about it before we went there. And I found out you can get a discounted ride all you can voucher through Metrodeal. So all you have to do is go to your browser, Google Chrome, and just type metrodeal.com. So this is how the website looks like. All you need to do is create an account if you don't have any account yet. So it will just ask you to put in your first name, last name, mobile number, email, and create a password. You can also sign up with using Facebook or the email that you have on your computer. So once you're logged in, it will route you to this particular page wherein you can just search here Skyranch Tagaytay or just scroll down and you will see the discounted voucher that you can get. So it's priced at 350, which is valued at 980. So if you click on this, so it says here you will get 64% off. So if you scroll down, you will see the highlights. This is a Christmas promo wherein this will be the validity of the voucher is here. It's October 1, 2022 until December 31, 2022. And then these are the rides that are included on the voucher. So if you want to cross-reference, what these rides look like, you can just go to Skyranch Tagaytay official website. I'll just put the links below, the Metro Deal and the Skyranch Tagaytay para hindi kayo mapunta sa ibang site at para legitimate voucher talaga yung mabili nyo sa Metro Deal. So dito naman sa Skyranch Tagaytay, if you scroll down, nandito yung itsura ng mga rides. So, pwede nyo i-cross-reference dito, ano ba tong Sky Eye, ano ba yung itsura ng Express Train, and Log Coaster, Super Vikings, and, the other rides that are included here. Also, mag-a-attach ako ng video ng family namin right after this tutorial if you wanna see ano yung actual na itsura ng mga rides na yon. So, kapag nakapag-desisyon na kayong bumili, all you have to do is click buy now. And it will route you to this page. So, you just have to choose ilang tickets ba yung bibilhin nyo. In our case, we are a family of 5. So, 5 times 350, 1,750 yung binayaran ko. Tapos, kapag naka-login na kayo, you will have the option to buy the vouchers using either a credit card. In our case, ang ginamit ko is yung GCash account ko. So, right after nyong mabili yung ticket, mapupunta lang siya dun sa vouchers page ng account nyo sa Metrodeal. And guys, you can also access this using your phone. Just go to metrodeal.com dun sa phone nyo. At meron din silang app na pwede nyong i-download if you want to sa Play Store if you're using an Android device. So, yun, pagkatapos nun, makakakuha kayo ng electronic voucher. So, in our case, 5 electronic voucher yung na-receive ko dito din sa loob ng Metrodeal account. Ipapakita ko na lang dito, i-flash ko sa screen ko na kung ano yung itsura ng mga voucher na yon. And guys, the good thing is you don't have to print it out. It's an e-voucher with a QR code that you just have to present dun sa mismong Skyranch. Tapos i-scan lang nila yon and you're good to go. Tatatakan na nila kayo for a ride all you can. And in our case nga, parang isang voucher lang yung in-scan nung nasa Skyranch na kami. Tapos nakita na niya lahat nung other vouchers. So you can either show it using your login details dito mismo sa Metrodeal or just take a screenshot and then show it dun sa gallery nyo. And that's it. That's good to go. Now, for other expenses that we have for Skyranch Tagaytay, when we get there, so meron kaming sasakyan, may car kami. So, dun sa parking area, magbabayad kayo ng 50 pesos para dun sa parking space. Yon. Tapos, pagpasok nyo, or before kayo pumasok, um, sisingilin din kayo ng entrance fee. So, bukod dun sa voucher, so sa Ride All You Can voucher na binayaran nyo na, magbabayad pa ulit kayo ng entrance fee per person before kayo makapasok, which is 100 pesos yon. I think I'm not sure if that's the case for every day, pero kasi pag weekends, which is nung nagpunta kami is Friday, so Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it's 100 per head bago kayo makapasok. So yun yung isa sa additional fee na babayaran nyo pa pagpasok nyo. Tapos, para ma-redeem nyo yung Metrodeal voucher nyo, again, ipepresent nyo yung QR code. Hindi nyo siya sa entrance ipepresent. So, papasok muna kayo sa Skyranch, so, on the left side, doon sa likod ng horseback riding, nandoon yung booth kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-redeem ng mga vouchers. So again, all you have to do is present the QR code. You don't have to print it out. And then, since hindi lahat ng rides is included dun sa voucher, may mga rides, the thing is, maraming included na rides na magaganda, pero meron ding mga ibang magagandang rides na hindi siya included dun sa voucher. So, if ever na gusto nyong sakyan yung mga ibang rides na yun, magbabayad kayo ng separate for that. So, again, pwede nyo i-cross-reference kung ano yung mga rides na hindi kasama dito sa Skyranch Tagaytay official website. And pag nandito na kayo sa official website, actually makikita nyo din dito kung magkano yung fee per ride. For example, hindi nyo gustong mag-ride all you can, pwede nyo na ditong makita kung magkano ba yung dapat nyong ibayad per ride. For example, itong Sky Eye, pag pinindot mo to, may kita mo dito, yan siya, 150 per person. Tapos, yun nga, yung pwedeng sumakay dun sa isang gondola, maximum of 3 people lang. Siguro hanggang 4 kapag maliliit yung mga bata. Pero ayun, hanggang 4 lang siya. So kami parang dalawang gondola kami. Isang tatlong tao is isang dalawa. And then, nandito din yung mga iba. Ito carousel, it's included dun sa Ride All You Can. Pero again, if you don't wanna do the Ride All You Can, it's 50 per person. Tapos, nandito na lahat. Basta, click-click lang kayo dito kung magkano yung mga rides per person. Tapos, itong Sky Eye at saka itong Express Train, one time nyo lang siya pwedeng i-ride. The rest naman nung included na what do you call this, rides dito sa voucher is unlimited nyo siya pwedeng paulit-ulit. So, ayun. What else? Tapos yon, bawal magpasok ng pagkain doon sa loob mismo ng Sky Ranch. So, medyo pricey yung mga doon, mga pagkain. Pero ang Ang nakita ko na pwedeng sigurong pagkain ng mga bata is yung may Turks doon, which is 90 pesos each, tapos may potato corner. Yung iba parang para siyang banchetto type na may mga pagkain na binibenta, barbecue, burgers, things like that. Tapos, yun, medyo pricey siya. Parang yung barbecue, ang bili namin 35 each, tatlo 100, ganun. Tapos yung mga drinks na parang mabibili mo ng, I don't know, 15 or 20 pesos. Halimbawa yung soft drinks na nasa, pet bottle na maliliit. Parang 15 to 20 lang yun outside. Pero dun sa loob is 35 pesos siya. Tapos, nakapagpasok naman kami ng tubig. So, ayun, medyo nakatipid dun kasi sa tubig pa lang, parang 25 pesos each na din. So, ayun, naisip namin na next time, pag pupunta ka doon, since pwede kang lumabas from dun sa Skyranch mismo, papuntang parking area, what you can probably do kung nagtitipid talaga kayo is magbabaon na lang kayo tapos dun kayo sa may sasakyan kakain. Ganon. Tapos pasok na lang ulit since may tatak naman. So, ayun guys. So, if you wanna watch yung naging adventure namin doon as a family, just keep on watching. Otherwise, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope it helps and I hope you can enjoy your adventure as a family too dito sa Skyranch Tagaytay. Yun lang. Thank you and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day ahead and God bless you all. Goodbye.